Martin Liedtke speaking. Just fixing the engine, guys. Basically, the bolts popped out of the sliding bevel that holds the alternator away from the drive shaft, the drive belt. So I'm going to just put it back on. The bolt found it, and use 1/2 inch ply on there. So that's about right. Okay. Any looser, and you won't get any traction on the drive. Okay. And let's get that nice and tight, and we'll be cooking on gas. And then I'm going to give it all a wipe over, check the oil.
So, Matt, tell them how you fixed it last time while we were out in the water getting tugged.
An emergency carabiner clip, a few modifications necessary, but it did the job perfectly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So, a mangled carabiner save us.
Yeah. Just push it up a little bit more. A bit of tightness going on. And the old shifting spanner, which I would always have in my back pocket when I was in the merch for years and years and years. I used to go ashore and forget it and leave it in my pocket. Right, send all that in the back. Always will do. So you turn a nut, and the moment you feel point of no more resistance is when you stop. It's no point going too far with doing a nut up, just until the resistance point, and then knock it in the head, because that is when it's done. Okay? I think I'm just spinning there.
There's monkey wrench in there.
That's what I need. That's just spinning, I believe. That's no good, that's not the tool anyway.
Pass the I'll hold it from the back for you.
Thanks. Just put it on. If you can, is it on there?
Yep.
That's much better, thanks.
Two-person job, I guess.
Well, that's obviously holding that in the back, thanks.
Mm-hmm. Tight enough.
It will be.
Alright. Try when I can feel resistance. Can't at the moment.
You will in a minute.
Oh yeah, it's coming, it's coming.
You just keep holding that. I've got a pinch from my side. Not
Whew. Nasty angle.
yeah.
Ouch.
Okay.
You done?
No.
There we go. Oh, let's come loose, come loose. Go on now.
That's not tight enough.
Oh, it's tightening, it's tightening. That's very tight, it's tightening now.
Okay.
Right, that's enough.
No.
I think that's enough.
No.
Quarter to in.
I got the rabbit tickling my back here.
Oh.
She stood up my back,
Shit.
she's all soft. Okay.
Right, that's it.
Yeah. Should be fine.
Good. Because my hand hurts.
Okay. That's about 1/2 inch, isn't it? It's not too.
Well, the bolt's definitely not going to shake out now, is it?
No, let's have a look here.
Whew. Sweaty work, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
A lot of water in there too long to get out.
Oh, I'll just tighten this bevel up.
Oh.
Because that was quite loose there.
Was it that one? Yeah, that's because it come loose from the other side, isn't it?
So the alternator's on our
That
way.
feels much better.
That feels much better.
The alternator, I don't think is connected.
That's the alternator there, look.
Yeah, I know, but I don't think it's connected.
No,
I mean from here.
Yeah, I can
No,
see
from
it.
here.
Oh, right. Well, I can see the wires are on it.
Yeah, I know, but the wiring here.
Right, let me get on the side. I want to check the oil. Got a cloth anywhere? Hello, you sat on a spliff, it's flattened. Flattened it. Flattened the curve. Cloth. That's perfect.
I have to get down there though.
No shit, Sherlock.
The lights, but I can help out with that.
Ooh, nice. Nice. Well, let me give me that, because there should be a dipstick.
I got it.
Right, okay. Brilliant. know it's a diesel. It should be fucking dipstick.
It is. There's a plastic thing right below it.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Spaz.
Right.
Can you light it up for the camera?
There you are. Okay.
Oh, we like.
Oh, we're going to give it a wipe first, and then give it a couple of turns in there. Okay. Okay, you ready?
No, I got you.
To that line there. Bottom line.
Oh yeah. There's a bit of oil. Yeah.
Looks clean.
That's like half a tank, is it? Is that half?
Might be able to do with the top up, but to be honest with you, that's not looking
That
bad.
looks like half. My water's going to dry fast. Oh, my hair get under you. Okay. Soundproofing's coming stuck there. Yeah, it's alright. It's fucking sticky stuffy.
A bit of oil down here in the build.
Yeah, that's the dry shaft thing, isn't it?
No. Looks alright though.
It does look fine. It's just to suck some water in when it spins.
Okay, well the oil could do a little top up, but not bad. It's alright really.
Fair enough. There's Martin straight down the engine cabin. I had to take the side off to get it in order to get to it. I can see where the oil is here from where they come through in the bilge. It's like a little hole that's been drilled through, straight through the panel, through the mount.
Yeah. Is it? Can you see where the oil filter is on your side? It should be
Is that
near
it at
the
the
bottom. No, yours get oil filters at the bottom. Or near to the bottom, always.
The oil filter.
Yeah, it's like since it might
There.
be. Let me see. Got me unstuck.
You'd have to take the bolt off for it.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yep, I know what an oil filter looks like.
Okay.
So that was the bad doing that Martin just fixed. Want some WD?
Yeah. Don't need any more of that sort of thing.
Grab it, you spaz!
Yeah, I can and do that like.
Do what? Oh, I can hold it at the same time.
That one there.
Ooh, Jesus.
It's literally
fucking loose.
Yeah. So it will be on the other side as well. I can feel it there.
Yeah, I gotta get over there then, isn't I?
But just by there. Right there. Put a camera over here, that's going to be in your way. Right.
And we're on the back and switch sides, because you've got to turn.
You won't get to from that side at all. Just give it a year, I'll do it from here. Honestly.
Yeah, I can feel it.
There you go. There. I could do it from here, all the others, that's all.
Ow! Oh. I have to take the panel off from the other side again of that. The oil's all
Yeah.
I can see the accelerator throttling.
Oh, that's just spinning. Have you got another one of these? Another shifting spanner?
There should be a big
Right, that's
monkey.
no good for
Hang on,
fucking.
hang on, there's a big monkey wrench underneath me. Sorry, Luggy. Hang on. Hang on, I got the tool for it. Nah, struggling away, don't.
No, I'm not actually struggling away, love.
Funny fucking wrench with angle. I'll spin a little bit in there as well. You got it? Oh, pushing the pipes from the back. Shit.
I can't see with that fucking light in my eyes. Just drop them.
Down.
I can see them. Yeah, but I can't get in there while you're up there. I can see them on there.
Come on.
Sun's shining in, isn't it?
Yeah, same. Hard work. Don't worry, dirty work.
That's it.
Oh, I gotta have those bolts iron, man. They're the offenders. Yeah. The actual engine is in actual really good condition on the back, isn't it? It's not bad at all.
No, that's nice.
I know. I thought it'd be a bit more smeggy than that by the front, but no. Engine just spinning, is it?
Yeah, I got it back quick than that. Okay. Jesus. Right.
It's tight. I don't know where.
Okay.
You happy with that?
I guess so. It's a bit better, isn't it?
Well, it's better than
Right, where's that
loose.
cost to?
Undo. WD on that, is there?
Yeah. It's up nice.
Mm.
Going
Engine maintenance on board the Windy Ridge with Flat Earth British, second engineer Martin. Who's, as you can see, doing the engine, checking the oil and tightening any offending loose bolts, which cause amazingly bad problems.
Fucking crank starter on there.
Oh, that's the crank starting, is it?
Yeah, you've got to pull it out before it ticks over, otherwise
Oh,
you're going
yeah.
to end up.
Stalling it.
Yeah. That's right there.
See, loose. There's only one bolt holding it though.
It's just one at the bottom, it's gotta be. Don't move it from there. Yeah, there's a spinner on the back. The thing don't move no more, but it is spinning.
Mm. Oily. Look at it.
Yeah, she's moving in it. Can't go tighten anymore.
Enough. Watch the oil thing. Tap.
And then she shit herself.
Uh-huh.
I'm not Ross. I'm actually Michael Jackson.
In disguise. I'm not very good disguise. What was that? Drop in.
Nothing off the back of that. That's for sure. I just lost my fucking grip.
Just smacks on it. Good drop.
Look at that Kevin Bacon, all he's good for is shitty fucking adverts and all that.
I don't know.
But he didn't tell him that when he was starting. Oh, that's tightening.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, well done, well done.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
You got it?
Can I get no more?
Is a lot there? Is it better?
There's a bit of ply in it. Oh.
No, I know that's because it's only two on there. There's only two bolts holding the alternator in place.
You can't really tighten that up and that's not going to wiggle loose.
No, it's not going to work.
Alright, okay. Okay.
It hasn't thus far. Look at it. It's fixed steel. It's not going to just come loose with the bolt. Unless there's something wrong with the secureness of the bolt, innit? You know? What's this thing then, Matt? Any idea? This thing.
Yeah, okay.
It says something on it.
It says Lucas.
Oh.
And he's like in England. It looks electrical.
And this screws. No, don't unscrew it.
No. That, yeah, it does. I don't know. We'll have to look at the schematics for this engine.
Yeah, well, we have got the schematic somewhere. It's quite big. An engine. You see, boy?
Peace and love. Fat thumbs.
See you next time.